Welcome to Minecraft Creeper Gaming. Today I will show you how to make a frigidaire. Okay, so I want to create a new world because it's if you make it in survival, you need to face challenges to find materials. Sorry if it's a bit laggy, cause okay, we need to fly to across this sea. Actually, let's see. First, there's the materials. Make sure that you have the latest version 14.0, version 14.0, build 6, block of iron door, and a button. First, oh, I forgot. You need also to bring the dispenser. First, put 2 black irons, then destroy in the lower part, put the dispenser, and put the button right there. Okay, so you need to put the iron there like there. See? It's like a fridge. Then you put the foods. You put the foods actually. I like to delicious foods like cakes. Oh, I don't know where the cake is. I think it's here. Oh, there. And click the dispenser. Then add that thing. This thing, delicious. Okay. First you need to do. You need to click that button, and then voila, the food's going out. It's like, but I suggest if you like to make it more beautiful, you can put this weird fish pressure. That. Then let's put the button right. Wait. Right there. Oh, it can. Let's put some. I can see that it's a table right there. And let's put the button. See? It's done. Okay. Oh, thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Okay, that's it. Thank you.